Here is our learning target for today. And our learning target is really involving three steps that you'll be able to view through a gallery walk and learn through breakout sessions or collaboration how to organize student resources in Canvas and make them more accessible. Maybe using the UDL progression rubric and guidelines to make a more accessible classroom online and support student learning. What is accessibility? Well, according to Dive into UDL, accessibility is proactively and intentionally removing barriers to the access of information and, more importantly, to learning. Accessibility might mean putting resources in digital format to make them more readily available. So, this is the difference in my mind between readily available and accessible. If I link things online so students have access to them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, they're there for them, but it doesn't necessarily mean the student can access them. They can click on them, but it doesn't necessarily mean they can understand what you've posted. Digital does not mean accessible. Digital can be made accessible through applications and add-ons that help students decode and learn. And so these are some of the things we might use in Canvas, some of the add-ons or apps that take these materials and allow students to understand them and access the learning rather than just access the information. And on this slide, I've got the symbols of representation in the access layer and action and expression, which are the main two areas we're working with today when we're dealing with Canvas and accessibility. On down to the last slide here, our learning steps for today, we want to explore. And this is where you take that gallery walk through the neighborhoods upstairs, view what other teachers are doing. They're doing some amazing things with Canvas to support student learning. Then we want you to connect. And this means maybe find an organizational style or a teacher whose organizational style that you think you would like to adopt and use for your students, and connect with that person after the gallery walk and maybe learn a little bit from them in the space near their station in the gallery walk. And that's really the collaboration. It would mean either you're going to work with the teacher that you met with in the gallery walk, or meeting as a group, team level, grade level, in a collaboration space in the middle school and working to improve your Canvas pages as a group. Thanks for listening.